So if I keep waiting, it's just only going to get worse, and that's why I just decided to record this video without even proper preparation. And I think मुझे in the between the video ही थोड़ा setup adjust करना पड़ेगा. So to give you guys an update, I'm here in Thailand. As you can see, probably I'm here in Thailand, and I'm here not for what most people come here for. I'm not exactly here for game per se. I'm not here to get laid. I'm not here to really work on my game per se. I'm here for the business purposes, right? Business purposes matlab maybe meeting my mentors and just kind of improving on the business aspect of things. इस वीडियो की आवाज़ कम हो सकती है, तो फिर if the आवाज़ is perfect, probably that is done in post. And I just wanted to record this one because it has been some time since I've recorded a video, and I just didn't want to break the consistency. That's why I just decided एक वीडियो जल्दी से record कर ही लेता है. So in this video, I just wanted to talk about the power of consistency for that fact. Because abhi, to be honest, I'm having almost a headache, right? आज का दिन was not, I would say actually it was a good day, but like कभी कभार होता है ना कि you just feel low all of a sudden. So I just felt low and I felt bad और एकदम से बुरा खराब फील होने लग गया and everything. And I was like कि भाई मेरे को सोना है because tomorrow I have to go for MMA. If you know, I'm doing MMA as well. यहाँ पे there is this gym. Bang Tao Muay Thai and MMA, and it is one of the best gyms for MMA and Muay Thai, right? So I'm supposed to go there tomorrow. मेरी जल्दी class है सुबह, but I just decide my friend oblique mentor who's sharing the room with me, he said कि भाई नहीं, better record the video, right? And I cannot tell you how much of a difference it makes, because this video being recorded right now is being recorded in, I would say, the best circumstances, not for me but for you, right? That is what creates really quality content when you don't want to do it, but the creativity just comes out. And you are seeing me not feeling the best. I have a tooth, मेरा पीछे का दांत जो है उसमें like वो this is like उस पे रूट कैनाल वगैरह हुआ था, कैप लगी थी, उसमें पेन हो रहा है, ठीक है. And उसके अलावा सिर दर्द हो रहा था मेरा, like a lot of things. So I was just not in the best mood, but I just recorded this video, right? And if I hadn't recorded this video, probably मेरा एक month एकदम से निकल जाता, because this is what has happened in the past. एक month एकदम से निकल जाता and you just have no content, right? So yeah, that is kind of what I wanted to talk about in this video. Yeah, consistency makes a lot of difference, and that exactly is what happens in game or anything for that matter. Okay. This is a business, right? So I need to consistently record and produce content and just upload it. But if I don't do it, I don't do it, right? So consistency की बात यहाँ पे क्या आती है कि if you don't do it now, it's never going to happen. Surprisingly, ठीक है. Same thing happens for dating. Same thing happens for everyone else. Everything else. If you don't do it right now, it's never going to happen. ठीक. And yeah, kind of that is the lesson that I wanted to give you today. So guys, if there is something that you want to do it now. You should be aiming at कि भाई मेरे को इसको अभी fix करना है, rather than trying to fix it eventually in a few years or maybe a few months, right? The goals that you make should be for years and everything, but you try to fix it every day. You be like, आज ही I'll fix this problem. आज ही I'll make something work. That is how the objective should be. Yeah, pretty much this. This is just the video that I had to record to get back to consistency. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.
That was crazy, right? But do you know what's crazier? Click this playlist right here and you will see in real life hidden camera footage of me approaching and attracting beautiful women in no time. I'll also be breaking down what I said to them, how I got them attracted in minute details. So don't delay guys, click the playlist right now and I'll see you on the other side.